Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy, and today up Aldi's I saw these loaded fries and meatballs, £1.99p. They're new. So yesterday I tried them chips and cheese and gravy. I'll leave a link to that one if you want to watch it. And we've got meatballs this time, loaded fries and meatballs with a cheese sauce. They look quite nice. So there's the cooking instructions anyway. Fries for 10 minutes, then the meatballs, then the sauce in the microwave. So let's give them an open, see what they look like. Okay, there they are. Cheese, what sauce is that? Marinara sauce. So I'll get them in the oven, then I'll get that in the microwave, then we'll give them a taste when they're done. Right, that's all done then. As I say, the meatballs, look at them, they're not very big. Bite sized. The chips look a bit better than the ones I done yesterday. But there it is all together. And there's the cheese and the sauce. So we'll stick it on and we'll give it a taste test. So the cheese yesterday was a bit sickly. So if it's the same cheese, I presume it is because it's the same sort of thing. Stick the cheese on. There it is all together. Right, we'll give it a taste test. See what it tastes like. Right, okay then, so there it is all together. Let's try a chip again first with this sauce. All the sauce is nice. Tastes like salsa, Doritos. Try some of this cheese. I didn't like the cheese yesterday. Try that again. It's very hot. The cheese ain't too bad. I don't know whether the salsa molds it down a bit. Let's try a meatball. So they're tiny, these meatballs are. Really small. Oh, they're nice. Oh, them meatballs are nice. Nice little kick to them as well. Let's mix it all together. Yeah, this one's alright. Let's have a bit of everything. That one's a thumbs up. A lot better than the one yesterday. Same as just the cheese yesterday, just felt a bit sickly. This one's quite nice. I don't know whether it's the salsa that makes it mould it down a little bit or what. But cheese and gravy, I didn't like that. But yeah, that's definitely a thumbs up. £1.99. Loaded fries and meatballs. Aldi. That one's okay. So as I say, I am the old food guy. Thanks for watching. If you like content like this, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye.